Hello children, good morning. The topic for today is a poem, The Kite, written by Harry Benn. This poem is prescribed by CBSE for class 6 in the English book named Honeysuckle. Before starting the detailed explanation of the poem, it is very important to know something about the poet. So the poet of this particular poem is Harry Benn. Harry Benn is both an American screenwriter as well as children's author. He was born on September 24th, 1898 in United States of America. His notes were, his noted work was The Big Parade, written in 1925, Hells Angels in 1930, etc. So children, let's come to the point. The Kite. How bright on the blue is a kite when it's new. With a dive and a dip, it snaps its tail. Means, here the poet what says? That the kite when it's new or when its first flight looks so beautiful, pretty and vibrant in the blue. Here blue refers to the big sky, the blue sky or clear sky. The poet says that the kite, with the swiftness as well as with the softness in its movement, the kite creates a snap, or you can say the cracking sound in the air. Then soars like a ship with only a sail, as over tides of wind it rides. So the movement of a kite is compared to a ship with a sail. Just when the ship or boat catches wind makes the ship move forward. Similarly, the kite also soars high with the wind. Climbs to the crest of a gust and pulls, then seems to rest as wind falls. Means, here what the poet says, he says that when the current air or the wind is strong, the kite rides on the air just as ship rides on the waves of the ocean, and similarly when the wind falls, the kite also comes to rest. When string goes slack, you wind it back and run until a new breeze blows and its wings fill and up it goes. Means, the poet says when the thread which is tied to a kite loosens the flyer, what does he do? He runs again and rolls it back so the flyer then waits till the new breeze blows again and again. It fills its wings with air and make it fly high again. How bright on the how bright on the blue is a kite when it's new, but a raggeder thing you will never see when it flaps on a string in the top of a tree. Means, the writer of this poem, he's repeating the sentences. The first sentence is that how bright on the blue is a kite when it's new. Means, how bright it looks on the sky when the kite is new. And here the poet mentions that the kite gets stuck on the tree top. The meaning of raggeder means torn. And the look of the kite that was praised earlier in the stanza is all changed as the poem progresses. So children, I hope you would have listened it and enjoyed. So till then, keep watching. Goodbye.